Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I made a easy Christmas shirt for my daughter. So this is the design that I chose. I got the SVG from this website here, Perfect Stylish Cuts, and I'm just going to be doing it in a white iron-on vinyl on the red t-shirt that you saw at the start. I've sized it already to see what size would work well on that red shirt, and so I'm going to go ahead and click make it. And this is the mat here. With iron-on vinyl or HTV, you do need to make sure that you mirror your design so that when you put it onto your shirt it is the right way and not back to front. So I've done that, and I am going to go ahead and click continue. So I'm using my maker to cut this, and I'm going to choose the premium vinyl option. I did lose the footage for the cut, sorry, but this is just me putting the iron-on onto the mat and peeling it off after it has been cut. Now this is me just weeding through, so it does take me a while because I'm not that good at it. Now that I got majority of that off, I'm just going back through to make sure that I've got everything that I need to get off before I go and put the design on the shirt. And this is the easy press here, and I'm just going to be turning that on and setting the timer to 30 seconds and the heat to 155, which is what we need for the iron-on that I'm using today, which is the Caesar Easy Weed. I'll be using the Cricut mat as well. So I'm just preheating the fabric and getting a lot of that moisture out. You can see a little bit of it there, but this shirt had a lot of moisture in it. So it does get a little bit wet and a little bit dark, but it did dry very well. And now I'm just finding the middle of the shirt so that the design's even and not crooked or on a lopside or anything like that. Now that I've got my middle there, I'm going to be just placing my design down. This is another easy way if you want to find the middle on the vinyl as well, is to fold it in half, sticky side out. And then I'll be grabbing my Teflon sheet, putting that over, and then putting the heat press on and pushing the green Cricut to start it. The Caesar Easy Weed can be peeled off while it's still hot, which is really good, and you can see all the moisture there. But there, that's the finished shirt. I'll pop a picture in of my daughter so you can see what the shirt did turn out to be. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!